Hello, so today we're making Irish potato stir fry Irish potatoes. So I washed the skin of these potatoes, but it wasn't looking as clean as I needed it to be. So what I did was to scrape, because you know when you try to peel the skin, like you also take off a lot of the Irish potato itself. So I just scraped it with a knife, soaked it in water with salt, washed it off again, and then I started cutting it into small bite chunks. So this was just seasoned with soy sauce and parsley flakes. I just mixed that together and let it sit while I started getting other things ready. So in a pan I added some vegetable oil and added in the Irish potatoes. So this was on low heat and I stirred it occasionally. I fried it for a total of 13 minutes. And the aim of the frying was just to get the Irish potatoes to be crispy on the outside. For you to get it to be very soft, you may have to do it on like very low heat. You have to take your time to do that. So after about 13 minutes, I added some water and I let it cook until the water dried up. That was about 5 minutes, but you have to be careful about the quantity of water you add so that it doesn't get soggy or too soft. So you can tell that I was frying sausages on the other burner. I had already fried some eggs. The eggs were not salted. So now I added in some vegetable oil again, added in onions, and I added in this ginger garlic paste. So this fried for like 30 seconds, and I just started adding every other vegetable, fried for some more time, added every other thing, and just let it like simmer and cook slowly for another 5 minutes. And that was it. This is very yummy. Like, it is so nice, and it's very filling as well. If you're not someone that gets Irish potatoes, maybe because you don't know what to do with it except for making fries with it, this is a very good way to make use of your Irish potatoes. It is very nice. So you let me know if you're going to try it. You let me know if you did try it, and I'd love to get your feedback. Look how yummy everything looks. The burst of colors and everything was so nice, and it's actually ready. We had this for breakfast. It was very good. And I'll see you people in my next video. Bye. Thank you.